Hi, it's Ian and Jan from North Staffordshire. Just here to hopefully promote Kenny's little lovely truck that we bought off him 18 months ago. We went to the caravan and camping show and we spent 2 days there looking at every camper van you could think of, any manufacturer. We saw every one, and in the end we came back to Kenny because we just loved the quality of the product.
And they're such a great gang of people, and they're really down to earth, and they listen to what you want, and you can actually pick all different designs and colours that match your needs.
Yeah, and Jan was very good at the design work, making a lovely contrast of colours in the truck. We call it Freddie, by the way, after Freddie Mercury.
Yeah.
Just love the motor, the quality is superb. We've had no issues with it whatsoever, and if there were any, Kenny's straight on the job and sorting things out for it. We asked for some extra shelves and very quickly they were made, so there's no issues with the van after 18 months. It's not gone back with any faults whatsoever, and we're really pleased with the purchase.
We certainly are. Looking forward to using it now. Lockdown's finished. We've been to Scotland.
Yeah, the wettest. The first time we went out in it, we went to Scotland, Fife in Scotland, and apparently it's the wettest 3 days on record.
But we had such fun.
Yeah, everything was soaked, including us.
It was brilliant though, it was lovely, and it was actually a good introduction how to work with things, wasn't it?
Yes, and the awning came in really useful, obviously,
Yeah.
because the rain was that heavy.
Yeah.
And that was really adventurous,
And
wasn't
we've just been to Wollacombe a few weeks ago, and that was amazing.
Yeah.
That was brilliant.
And then we rough camped in Scotland, didn't we?
Yeah,
Wild
we
camped.
did. Yeah,
And
with
then
the
also-
lithium battery was brilliant.
Oh, yes.
Didn't need any hookup at all.
So that is one big recommendation for anybody. I know it's
Yeah.
expensive, but a lithium battery is unbelievable.
And the air suspension's been brilliant because
Yes.
we can
Self-level.
self-level it, so that is absolutely amazing as well.
Yeah, really good.
And it's just so comfortable. Just so comfortable.
Yes.
It's like having another home.